Hello, and welcome to Popsicle Stick Crafts with Miss Jessica. I am so excited that you tuned in today. Guess what we're making? A popsicle stick flower pot to help celebrate Earth Day. You'll need construction paper, glue, stickers, a ruler, scissors, embellishments, popsicle sticks, a colored pencil, and flowers. Let's get started. Grab your construction paper and you're going to draw a diagram, and you're going to use your ruler to measure the top, which will be 9 centimeters, the side, which will be 10 centimeters, and the bottom, which will be 6. You will repeat this step 4 times and cut each piece out. Once you've cut out your pieces, you're going to grab your popsicle sticks and glue them on horizontally along the pieces of your flower pot. When using your glue gun, be sure to have adult supervision to prevent any accidents. Repeat this step until you have completely filled your side of the flower pot. After that, you should have this, and you're going to use your scissors to cut all the excess popsicle sticks from the piece. And you should have 4 sides, just like so. Now we're going to take each piece and we're going to glue them together. Voila! Now we're going to measure off our bottom, which will be 6 centimeters across and 6 centimeters down. And you're going to actually do the same thing you did with the sides of your flower pot. Now we're going to add this piece to the bottom of our flower pot so that it'll be closed. And we're just going to grab our glue and glue that at the bottom. Now we're going to grab our embellishments and we're going to begin to decorate our flower pot. And we're just going to cut it in half, and we're going to glue this along the corners of the flower pot, just like so. Again, be sure to have adult supervision when using the hot glue gun, as well as your scissors. And this is what we came out with. But we're still not finished. Now we're going to grab our stickers and we're going to place them on each side of our flower pot, just like so. And now we just add our flowers. And now our product is complete. Happy Earth Day! Want to see me make something out of popsicle sticks? Email me with your idea at jjohnson@mcls.ms. You may see your idea on my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.